How to create portfolio using Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create a portfolio with Canva. We'll simply head into your browser and head into canva.com. So once you head into canva.com, you'll get the templates option. What you can do is here, head into templates first, and you can search for templates. So I'll type in here, portfolio. So you can search in portfolio and you'll get various templates. Now, sorry, here I'm on the screen here. Head into template section and head into search and now type in portfolio and you should be able to get various portfolios here. Create a portfolio and you can proceed to choose anyone and proceed to create any portfolio. So you can see here I've got one. You can proceed to edit it, add in your pictures, remove this, customize it and use it. Or you can create anything from new. You can proceed to create new project and select the layout and then proceed to create new from the scratch. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.